All right, everybody. I am going to give you a little tutorial on how to access SchoolNet. We're going to go through that app. So I just want you to watch right now, and then you will go through with your teacher, and you will go through the step-by-step instructions to get here, and you're going to take a little quiz today on SchoolNet. So SchoolNet is a site that we use to help us with our math, reading, and science assessments. It's a really nice tool because we can give the assessment and it'll grade it right away, and you guys can see how you have done, and you can go back and check the ones that you missed. So I'm just in Google right here. I'm going to type in Wake. See if I can type here, Wake ID portal to go to my apps. So you should already have been signed in if you're on the Google Meets. So you should see right here all their different apps, and I have a little bit more apps than you guys have here. But I want you to find the one that says Home Base. I want you to find the blue one that says Home Base. So it's right here. This blue icon that says Home Base. I want you to click that one. Give it a second to load. All right, so this is going to load up. So your username is your lunch number. So if you don't know your lunch number, your teacher will be able to provide that for you if you're not sure how to sign in through your lunch number. So you are then going to find the red circle with the white house called SchoolNet. So in all the different applications, I have the SchoolNet right here, and you'll have that as well. Now, my view is going to be a little bit different from what your view is. So my view kind of goes over and shows my different tests and different things that I have here as a teacher view. And a student view, what you should see up here in this top left-hand corner is a place to put a code. Okay, so what you guys are going to do today is you are going to put in that code, and your teacher is going to walk you through each of the questions that are associated with that code. You guys are going to take some questions, going to grade it for you, and they're going to kind of show you the setup of how that looks as far as grading, how you can go back and actually check on the different assignments and the different answers that you have got in your SchoolNet. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off on this video. Your teacher's going to take it from here, and they're going to go over what they want you. They're going to help you sign in, and then they're going to go over how to put the code into the SchoolNet database and how the test is going to pop up. All right, good luck, everybody.